Welcome, my love. This is the advanced tutorial of the arm movements. We've practiced a little while back and linked the video here, so if you want to see that first, feel free to skip to that one. But if not, let's move on. Okay, so if you have done the previous tutorial, you know that we have practiced this. Now we are going to add a little bit of spice. So you bring it up, you go to the back, and I was doing that wrong. Ta, ta, ta. So you bring it over. So you go up, you bend your elbow like last time, and then instead of bring it to the front, we are going to flip our hands. So this is what it does. So you go up, you have it to the back, you go down, and then you drag it back up. So if I would be very extra, my hair would be all over the place, which it kind of is right now, but okay. So up, to the back, to the front. So this is what you do. Ta. You bring your arm over your head, and then you bring it down on the other side. So let's go again. Up, to the back, to the front, and down. And that has to be one movement, so let's do it one more time. Ta, 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 ta. Other side. Up, back, front, down. Up, back, front, down. Up, back, front, down. If you want to see the third part of this tutorial, this was a short one, but this is a little bit of a complicated one. If you want to see the other movement that we can do, ta, 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 then feel free to comment and like this video, and then who knows, I'll make a third part. See you next time.